Hello everyone, let's meet Chris. Chris went to a garment shop and bought 2 shirts and 3 jeans. If you know the cost of single t-shirt is $20 and the cost of single jeans is $32 and you are asked to compute the cost of his shopping, you might do something like this. You will multiply the quantity of t-shirt with its price and the quantity of jeans with its price. After adding both, we will get the result. Let's suppose John asks that he has purchased 5 t-shirts and 6 jeans from the same garment store. So what you might do is to replace the quantities you have in above equation. What you have here is a mathematical expression that tells you the cost of any number of jeans or t-shirt purchased from the garment store. Let's suppose that X represents the number of t-shirts and Y represents the number of jeans here. Now the expression you have is an algebraic expression because we have used a symbol to represent a variable quantity. The expression that you have here is an algebraic expression and the symbols used in expression are called variables. We will discuss these terms in detail later in this video, but for now we will discuss about the applications and implications of algebra in the world that we live in. Algebra goes way beyond the calculations of prices of t-shirts or garments. It is frequently used to express and understand the world around us. These famous equations that you see on your screen are the building blocks of the progress of human civilization. For example, the first equation is a very famous one which represents the relation of mass and energy conversion. E here represents energy, m is the mass of a body, and where c is the constant speed of light. You might notice that we have used symbols to represent the different quantities. Same goes for other two equations. Using symbols to represent arbitrary quantities is a convenient way to perform computations, and this is exactly what we do in algebra. So let's see what this realm of algebra is all about. The part of mathematics in which letters and other general symbols are used to represent numbers and quantities in formulae and equations. Consider this mathematical statement which contains letters as well as numbers. Letters that you see here are x, y and z, and they represent some unknown or arbitrary quantities, the value of which can vary. Hence, they are called variables. The numbers that are appearing along with variables are called coefficients, and the standalone number, for example 12 here, is a constant. Right now, this mathematical statement is only an expression, an algebraic expression to be precise, because there are variables in this expression. But if you put an is equals to sign at the end of the expression and perhaps a constant, this expression becomes algebraic equation, because this is equals to sign now relates this expression with certain value. In the next video, you will get more insights about algebraic expressions, their use and solutions. Thank you.